Hey everybody, decided to do this quick video. It's a garden we put in recently, and we installed a fountain here. Now, one of the interesting things about this is that a fountain to move water needs a pump. A pump needs electricity. There's no electricity to this area. So what did we do? We actually installed a solar powered pump. There's the solar panel. When the sun comes out, this girl comes to life. Really cool stuff. And this is like a over 100-year-old bird bath. We used as the base for it because this is a historical house here in Hermosa Beach. And so the water just recycles over and over again. We put an automatic water fill, so you never need to fill it up with a pump. So the beach is way back there in the background, and so when the bougainvillea comes out, spectacular color.